Hi, everybody. I thought I'd come on and do a quick live for you. I've been a sick chick for the last few days, so I haven't been on here very often. Dylan is actually still super sick downstairs, and that's where my normal setup is, and he's hacking up along worse than I am, so I thought I would just come up here and use the computer in the kitchen, and yes, you can see my messy house, and I don't care. It'll get cleaned up now that I'm feeling better, or sort of better. I just wanted to show you how easy it can be to make something really fast. This is one of our new boards, and you can see I showed you before. I already chalked on one side of it, and it goes in this little stand right here. So you can either set it this way, or you can set it this way, and you can chalk on both sides of it so that you can just flip it around if you want to look at something different. So that's why I thought I would just show you how quick it can be to make something. So this is one of our new transfers. It says, "Actually, I can," which suits me pretty well because most of the time if somebody tells me I can't do something, that's about the time I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm just going to fuzz it on my pants a little bit. And then I'm going to stick it onto this board. I'm just going to center it. As you can see, it's centered on there. And I'm just going to use one color of chalk paste on it. And this is one of our new colors too, I believe. Yep, this one's called Buttermilk. And this is one of our new squeegees. So it's vertical instead of going the long way, which sometimes I still grab it and try to squeegee it this way. But after a little while, I'll get used to doing it the other way. It kind of keeps me from having to cut my squeegees up quite as much because, as most of you know, my favorite size would have been probably about a half of a squeegee going this way. So this is just slightly wider than that, so it works out just fine. So I didn't stir this up yet, so I'm going to use this, which is also one of our new tools. It scrapes around the outside edge of our chalk paste really well, which was kind of an issue for us before because, you know, you could get it stirred up and everything, but it was really hard to get down underneath there, and you'd always miss a little bit and leave some of it in there, and it would get all dried up and probably waste more than necessary. So that just goes to show, like, with these guys, they are learning just like we are. They take into consideration the suggestions that we make, and, you know, they package things differently and try to improve just like any really good company would. I was really impressed by them at our conference and stating all the changes that they were making, and the reason they were making them was because, you know, designers and other people suggested that we do so. So I'm just going to use this, which is probably a little more than I normally would have put on there. And I'm just going to kind of dab it around at first and then just scrape it on there. I usually try to do, when it's just one color, I just try to do long, even strokes. That way you can get it on and get it off pretty quickly. Maybe you've just got something quick to do in the office. Maybe it's somebody's birthday. Maybe somebody's leaving and you've got a little sentiment on hand, and all you've got to do is stick it on your board and make it really quick if you just happen to have one at your house. So I'm going to stick this right here until I can go wash it over in the sink. But there you go. It says, "Actually, I can." It sits right in here. Hopefully I didn't get it too low. Nope, I didn't. So there we go. That shows how quickly you can make something. You can do a quick teacher's gift for kids and just about anything else. So yeah, I'm popular. Anyway, so if you've got a last minute decision or a last minute gift you need to make, this is a great way to go. So if you have any questions at all, let me know. We also have a page that one of our leaders has created for you to go to just to learn more about Chalkateur, if that's what you want to do, with absolutely no pressure at all. So if you have questions about that, you can let me know too. But go on, have a great evening, and I will talk to you hopefully tomorrow. Thanks.